Eh, Bismillah, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. So, have you guys ever felt lazy to water plant? Well, here we make the solution. Okay. Now I will ask you, Kenji, why did we make this project?
Yeah, so actually, people waste watering the plant is manually. So I think it's not easy, or you feel lazy to do that. So we make the system is more easy and more efficient to use that.
Okay. So now, without further ado, let's just get into the explanation of the project.
Okay, so in here, you can see this is the hydroponic system. So in here, this is the place for put the seeds. So we have a result of the seeds. This is the results, and then in here there is a hose for put the pump, and then the pump will put the water to this bucket. Yeah. So in here also there is a tools of this hydroponic system. So in here there is a relay, and then this is there is a microbit. I'm sorry. This is a ultrasonic sensor, and then this is a relay, and then this is a pump. Okay, so I want to explanation how to this work. So for the first, the okay, so for the first, the ultrasonic sensor send the data to the microbit. Yeah, and after that, microbit send the data also to the relay. Nah, and then the relay will turn on the system, and then give also to the pump for give water, and then put at the bucket.
Okay, hello everyone. So here I will explain or talk about the code, website, and database. Okay, so here it is. This is the code for the micro database. So first, ESP8260 connect. This is to connect the ESP on the microbit extension, and then Wi-Fi. This is to connect to the Wi-Fi. So for example, here, if you want to connect to the Wi-Fi, you have to just put the name of the Wi-Fi here and then the password of the Wi-Fi here. And then if the Wi-Fi is connected, it will show the icon hard, and then if it's not connected, it will show the icon boost. And then server config, this is to connect the microbit or this project to the dashboard website, and then also to the Firebase. You can see here, set host, set path, status SSL. And then dev on forever, this is to for the loop that will be going forever when the project is on. And then this is a variable sensor, uh, and then equals sonar. Okay, so sonar is actually an function that you can get in the here. Then this is the function. So what this means is that if there's the data, it will be sent to the digital pin one or the relay, and then it will also echo or also send the data to pin zero. Then pin unit indicators is to choose the measuring unit. Now this is meter. Okay, so yeah, again, if sensor more than 10 or ten later it will digital pin signal white pin it will tell the second pin or pin 2 digital pin 2 uh, okay, and then and then else if not zero or Send sensor water. That means it will send water data to the Firebase. Then basic post to settings without a given post on the ledger. If you prefer, this is just the closing for this loop. Okay. Next, this is the Firebase. Later, all the data will be sent to here. And then here is the website that you will need to connect to our dashboard that I use. And here is to connect to the website to the Firebase, like disconnect or disconnect. And then there's the status like water level, water height, pump status, and then the last update. This is also the system that we use here. As you can see, the device a bit plus a bit ESP266, and then database use the database sensor. We check for the water level, water height. Then Twitter will use really for the okay. Okay, so now I will give it my time back to
Okay, so in here there is a ultrasonic sensor. So the function of the ultrasonic sensor is for send the data if the water is low. So ultrasonic sensor will send the data to the microbit, and the microbit will send the data to the relay, and the relay will turn on the pump. Okay, maybe that's all that we can say. Sorry if I have some mistake. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.